Hi friends, welcome to problem 2 of the Unit 6 test. In this one we're going to look at this problem here, 8 multiply 4,174. Now I've already written our steps off to the side of the screen. Boxes, decompose, multiply, add. And we have the boxes over here. Now I told you guys we don't necessarily need to try and fit into these small boxes for this because some of these numbers are going to get bigger. So what I want to look at is that 4,174 first. I'm going to draw in red so you can see it a little better. I might use, I'm just going to make a big bar. And I need to divide that into 4 parts because 4,174 has 4 digits. So maybe I'll make the first one a little bit bigger and then let them get gradually smaller as the number of digits per place value gets less. So there is step 1, boxes. Now we need to decompose. We're going to take this 4,174 and think about it piece by piece. We have 4,000 for that first digit because a 4 in the thousands place is worth 4,000. A 1 in the hundreds is 100. A 7 in the tens, 7 tens would be 70. And 4 ones is 4. Now off to the other side of the boxes, we simply write that 8 because there is no decomposing an 8. It's already decomposed. So there we have decomposed. Now we're going to multiply. Remember when we start by multiplying these bigger numbers because those are all zeros there, I just want to think about 8 multiply 4. Now 8 multiply 4 is 32. And at that point I need to think about my tens family and how many zeros I'm going to put onto the end of this because I wasn't doing 8 times 4, I'm doing 8 times 4,000. So all 3 of those zeros need to come onto this number, 432,000. 8 times 100, 8 times 1 is 8. Mr. 10, whatever, Daddy 100 throws 2 rings. 8 times 7 is 56. And because it's 8 times 70, it has that 1 0 there. I need to put 1 0 on the end here. And 8 multiply 4 is 32. Now, one of the biggest mistakes we made when we go to add is just making sure that our place value is lined up. And this is where these boxes come in handy because I'm going to do 32,000. And then I want to make sure that my 800 is lined up in my hundreds place. So 800. 560 is also lined up in the hundreds place. 560. And then 32, the 3 is in the tens. So I have 32. Now I want to add all of those together. Now you could take a break and do these one at a time if you want, but these are fairly easy because there's lots of zeros. 0 add 0 add 0 add 2 is 2. 6 add 3 is 9. 8 add 5 is 13. So my 1's come down here. My 10 carries. 1 add 2 is 3. And 3 add nothing is 3. We're going to put our comma to separate every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, our comma goes right there. Our answer is 33,392. So make sure you've copied all of this down and follow those steps for your test corrections. And when you've finished with that, you have multiplied and you have added and you are done.